Your weather app tells you if it's going to rain tomorrow. But your phone doesn't own the satellites. So where does the weather come from? Well, it asks another computer, a big weather service somewhere far away. And the way programs ask each other for things has a name. It's called an API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. 3 big words that just mean how programs talk. An API is like a menu in a restaurant. You don't walk into the kitchen, obviously. You order from the menu and the kitchen sends the dish out. Same goes here. One program orders, the other program serves. The API is the menu plus the waiter. Okay, let's break it down. Part 1, the menu. Every API is a fixed list of what you can ask for. A weather, a map, a payment, but nothing of menu. You can't order a pizza at a sushi place. Part 2, the order. Your app sends a request. Weather in Rome tomorrow. The service sends back the answer. Numbers, rain, temperature. That's it. Ask it exactly right, and it always answers. Ask it slightly wrong, and you get nothing. Think of it like a vending machine. Press the exact code, get your snack. Mash the buttons like an idiot, you get nothing. Part 3. The kitchen stays closed. You never see how the dish is made. Their computers, their code, their secrets. All is hidden. You get the result, but you do not get the recipe. That's what keeps it safe. And this is everywhere, guys. You log in with Google, you use an API. The map inside your taxi app, another API. Paying inside an app, that's your shop calling PayPal's menu probably. Even AI orders this way. When an AI books you a flight, for example, it's calling APIs. So really, the internet is just millions of apps ordering from each other's menu all day long. Thanks for watching.